Also, even this picture here, you can put pictures wherever you want. And I'm just gonna say that Canva. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a wedding website. So basically, creating wedding website on Canva is the same with creating basically any other website. But the good thing about Canva is that they have specific templates prepared so that your creation of a wedding website does not need to start from scratch. But if you ever choose to do so, then you can always do and start from scratch. Okay, so what will we design today? We're back here on Canva, and we know what we're going to design today, which is a wedding website. So we can just search up wedding website, and Canva will show us the prepared websites that they have here, or like the templates that we can just modify. So as you can see, we have a lot of beautiful templates here. So I'm just going to choose this one here, the Alice and Frankie template. So I'm just going to use this one, and let's head over. First of all, what can we do on Canva is that we can edit text. Of course, we can change colors, even the design on this part. No, this is not drawn. This is just an element that you can get in Canva, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. And also, even this picture here, you can put pictures wherever you want. And I'm just going to say that Canva really is one of the best editing softwares that you can find. It might be the best right now. So say we want to change this. We want to change the names, the font, the name of our wedding, or like to be wed are the two fiancés is let's say it's like Harry, and then the name of the partner is Haley. So they're both H, so very good for them. So we want to change the font of the names into something else. We don't want Alta, so we can always just go down and find something that we want here, or we could choose this things on the top, which are suggested fonts that are suggested to us by Canva. So handwriting will show us all the handwriting fonts that we can use. So I think it's actually pretty good to use something handwriting for a wedding. Here on the second page, they're also showing story, which you can also do it as well. You can just change this, and you can also add further pages into this. You can expound more on what your story or how it went. So how did they put this photo here it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna go here to elements and just search a frame. And then let's just choose one of the frames that we have here. So you want to have the similar frame as that other one. So it's like landscape, maybe something like this. But we don't want the color of the background, so I'm just gonna match it with the... Okay, so something like that. Then let's just make sure it's the same size. What you need to do is to go here on uploads, and then you just click on upload an image or video. So we can just upload a photo of the two brides. So let's say the two brides are these cars. But obviously it's not these ones, so I'm just gonna use this picture as a sample. So as you can see, that is how easy it is to put a photo in here. So other than that, you can modify whatever you want with this, like when is the wedding gonna take place, where it is gonna take place, and then the registry. So let's say you want to contact the couple. You can always add a link here, and what you can do is just to, let's say, let's ungroup this and go with this one, and then we can click here, right click on the square, and then click on link, and then you can just type here to whatever it is, maybe documents link or whatever you want. So anything will work. This is not a link. To show you that it does work, let's say I'm gonna put this website's link here, HTTP, then click on done, and then once that's done, then it's gonna work. Okay, so I've shown you how you can put text, how you can modify text, how you can put photos, and then how you can place links, and then photos. Then we should be done with this. and then it's gonna prepare our design. Okay, I'm just gonna cancel that for now, and let's go over here to preview because it's still the same. So this is how our website is going to look like. So it's pretty nice, and if we head over here to mobile, this is how it looks like mobile. I know the car is very out of place, that you can always change it into something else later on. So when you go here to the link, it will send you to the page. Like I said, it has created the button into a link. So you can change that to whatever you want. Let's say to a Google Forms where people can ask and put their opinions on something, so that you can start a poll whether you should have this or have that, so that you can make the entire reception party a big success. So that is it. That is how you can create a wedding website using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.